These stainless steel kids' drinking cups hold a generous 14-ounce serving, giving children plenty of room for water, milk, or smoothies without feeling oversized in small hands. The soft silicone sleeves add grip and cushioning, so the cups are easier for toddlers to hold and less likely to dent or clatter loudly when they are dropped. Each cup comes with a flexible silicone straw that includes a built-in stopper and a wide opening, which works well for thicker drinks like blended fruit or yogurt smoothies. The set includes both straw-friendly sipping lids and tight-sealing storage lids, so families can use the same containers for everyday drinks, snacks, or leftovers in the refrigerator. Materials are thoughtfully chosen, combining stainless steel, food-grade silicone, and plastic that is free from common chemical concerns, and everything can go straight into the dishwasher with the sleeves left on. The overall design feels sturdy and long-lasting, making these cups a practical choice for families who want reusable drinkware that can handle daily use at home, in lunchboxes, or on outings.